To change the transmission fluid on your Sportsman 450, follow these steps. For optimal performance, always use Polaris recommended fluids as described in your owner's manual. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface, ensure the vehicle is in park, and set the parking brake. Next, place a drain pan underneath the transmission drain plug. Placing a rag in the bottom of the drain pan will help prevent the splashing of fluid. Before removing, clean the area around the fill plug in the left rear wheel well. Then, remove the fill plug and set aside. Next, clean the area around the drain plug in the right rear wheel well. Remove the drain plug and allow the fluid to drain completely. Before continuing, clean any dirt or debris from the fill and drain plugs. Inspect the O-rings on both plugs and replace if necessary. Then reinstall the drain plug and torque to specification. Next, fill the transmission through the fill plug hole until fluid reaches the bottom threads and begins to spill out. Reinstall the transmission fill plug and torque to specification. Before continuing, clean any residual fluid off the vehicle and inspect for leaks. Finally, dispose of the used fluid properly at your local recycling center. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.